Hi, welcome to Derek Hopp's Kitchen. Today we're doing another cookbook recipe. Today's cookbook is Zaitoon by Yasmin Khan, recipes from the Palestinian kitchen. And the recipe that I've chosen today is lentil soup with walnut and cilantro smash. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but got a nice picture of it over here and the recipe on this side. Okay, first thing we're going to do is saute our onions. Alright, so we're going to get our onions sauteed up here. We're also going to saute up the celery. If you had your stems from your Swiss chard, you'd be sauteing those up instead. Nine hours later. I gotta turn my heat down. Okay, since I made a mistake earlier, I'm gonna read this recipe real quick. So it says to boil the lentils in a saucepan of water for 15 minutes or until they have just softened. Okay, I did that earlier. Check. Drain and rinse with warm water. Check. Fry the onion in the cooking oil for 5 minutes over medium heat. Add the chard stalks and the garlic and fry for another 5 minutes. Okay, check. Yeah, no, I did that. So, wait, maybe I didn't make a mistake? Okay. Okay, we need to fix our mistake here. It's fine. We'll just get all this in here straight away, then we'll... Okay, we're gonna add our lentils. Crushed garlic. And this is our ground cumin and black pepper that we roasted in the pan earlier. So add about a teaspoon of salt or so. So I'm gonna do a pinch about like that. That's about right. Okay, it calls for some nutmeg. Gonna add 3 cups of our stock here. And add our Swiss chard. bits that fell on the stove and not in the pot. Okay, so it says the juice of 1 lemon. I'll pour that in. Turn my heat up here a little bit. Okay, calls for about 2/3 cup cilantro. It would help if I plugged this in, wouldn't it? Silky smooth. Okie dokies. Okay, now we're going to quick, before my camera dies! I need a spoon. So we're going to put our dollop of mash on here. I think we're supposed to do more of that. Tastes pretty good.